Adrian 2, graphic design, he, him, his.
Nicholas Steele, painting, he, him pronouns. Yeah, so I mean, there's some heated debate going on surrounding the toppings naturally, and it's hard to agree with everyone. You know, bacon sounds good, but we might use this opportunity to eat a more like exotic meat, maybe.
Exotic meat?
Mm-hmm.
Well, let me list off what they have.
Personally, I would prefer I'm more of a meat lovers kind of guy, especially when I'm indulging and trying to pack on the calories, which I desperately need because I am getting a little thin.
Ham, beef, salami, pepperoni, Italian sauce, sage, premium chicken, bacon, Philly steak. No, really, I'd say the most exotic there is salami.
That's true. What is salami?
It's like cured ham almost. I was really into the olives idea because I thought a lot of meat. I've done this coupon before. I know what happens when you get overloads of meat. It just starts weighing you down. So I thought a veggie might help, which is why I suggested olives.
Please no salami.
Bacon and olives, though. Like if you have one bacon, one olives, that'd be a nice.
Yeah,
one after the other. Yeah.
Because
I
you got
think-
the smoky, and then you got the.
And then you get Parmesan bites and cinnamon twists.
And cinnamon twists. So we get 8 cinnamon twists, and we get 16 Parmesan bites.
And a 2-liter, or was that anything else?
And a 2-liter. So we get a 2-liter. We could choose Coke, Diet Coke, Dr. Pepper, Fanta, Orange, and Sprite.
Wow.
So up to you guys. I mean, I'm all for maybe Dr. Pepper or Sprite. Fanta gets a little much. It's.
You know, I think a clear soda with pizza, though.
I'm not gonna drink the soda. Honestly.
You kind of want a darker, more robust.
It's just gonna be you chugging it, so it's up to you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, quite frankly, I'm pissed off. I mean, I think I don't understand how they expect me to drink a whole 2-liter on my own. I mean, but I guess I'm the guy. I'm always the guy. They always look at me when they want me to finish something. So,
Ray's always been the guy. He's the guy to chug the 2-liter. Everybody knows it. We're all here for that. Because Daniela doesn't like.
I don't drink soda.
really,
Yeah.
I'd say we go Coke. Classic.
Coke?
I mean, that's a picture.
Yeah,
moment
that's
right there.
true. That's kind of quintessentially American.
Yeah. Yeah.
So essentially, we just wanted to preview the route to take and see if there were any obstacles with other patrons of this Domino's by looking at the Yelp reviews. So we're gonna pick it up. It's about let's just review our travel guide here. So, okay, so we've got a couple landmarks to locate ourselves. Providence Bagel, first of all. Classic bagel shop, Providence.
Providence stable, sort of a.
And what we would do, get this. What we would do is right around, actually maybe sometime before Providence Bagel we would actually cross. And then we'd take this route right here up to Branch Ave and kind of sneak our way along this highway, which isn't really for pedestrians at all.
Right. And I think, you know, all this stuff is up in the air and it can change because it is around 7-8 hours away.
And
I mean, the final legs of the trip will be treacherous, but I think, with that being said, it's worth it for the pizza for sure. It's important to, at this time, to acknowledge the history and you know, just the culture surrounding pizza, where pizza came from.
I mean, what people say, let's see. Pathetic and insane people canceled my order because I didn't pick up my call. Is this how people get E. coli? I'm a bit of a Domino's connoisseur. I've eaten at them all over the country. Let me tell you, this one is the worst Domino's on the planet. And they treat me like I'm the jerk. So now I just do takeout, and it's still wrong every time. I wasn't expecting much from the Domino's reviews. I mean, it's a Domino's. What can you expect? 3 stars, 2.5 stars. Who gives a flying fuck? It's Yelp. Who gives a flying fuck about Yelp? Tip: this Domino's doesn't provide the garlic butter sauce with the pizza by default. You need to order it and pay for it. Only Domino's that this has been the case.
Yeah. I mean, that's a bitch.
Yeah, that's a
real life
bitch.
bitch.
Yeah.
And I think that person definitely goes to RISD, probably.
Yeah.
Is used to being pampered and. Doubt we'll run into that issue.
God damn it.
I mean, that's ridiculous. You should screenshot that.
That's annoying.
I mean, I'm kind of sided with Domino's on this one.
Let's
So
go
that's 5
Domino's.
stars.
Alright, let's do it. I mean, let's go. Let's go to this one.
Then you have like a whole nother 7 hours, 6 hours before you eat again. So if you eat a meal now, then you'll be hungry by then.
Eat a meal now, huh?
Obviously, eat a meal now. I mean, I don't know how many times I have to tell you, because you're losing daylight. It's 12:28. I mean,
You have to
lunchtime
go
is
to class?
1:10. Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, you're being ridiculous.
So what's happening?
We're working out for the Domino's.
We have to.
We're working out for
22nd
the
day.
Domino's. We're working out for the Domino's. Don't fucking eat that. Don't fucking eat that. Don't fucking eat that shit, man. Fuck the bullshit. Is it on your leg? Oh! I'm getting hungry. Getting really hungry.
watching that?
Thank you for calling Domino's. What can I do for you?
Hi, I would like to order a pickup at store.
Okay, and what's the name on the order?
Ray.
Red?
Ray. Or Red. Go with Red.
Okay, and what can I get for you today?
Could I use the $20 2 medium pizza combo meal thing?
And it's going to be the 16 palm bites, the Cinna, and the 2-liter?
That is correct.
Okay, and what kind of pizzas would you like?
Could I get one with, olives and one with bacon?
One with olives, one with bacon, anything else?
Are those pizzas, are they handmade pan, or what is hand tossed? What is that?
That could be whatever you would pick.
What would you recommend?
Hand tossed.
Hand tossed. Alright, we'll go with that.
Okay, and then the palm bites, and then the Cinna bread twist. And what kind of 2-liter?
Coke. Toss a Coke in there.
Yep. Anything else?
That's it.
Okay, your total's gonna be $22.02, and they should be ready in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Alright, great. Thank you. Well, Ray wanted to get there very quickly so he could get the pizzas when they're hot and ready.
I mean, the clock is ticking.
10 to 15 minutes.
And it's a 20-minute walk.
I mean, the clock is fucking ticking. I mean, if that doesn't scream, we gotta go now, I don't know what does. Let's go. Well, we went 0.15 miles
Wow.
in that short little sprint we did. Things are getting sus. We're on the side of the highway.
To Domino's Pizza.
0.3 miles. I mean, that's reasonable. Watch out for moving automobiles. Uh-oh. And watch out for COVID as well.
Really no man's land.
Yeah. Not for pedestrians.
Keep touching.
I thought Ray running was the funniest thing I've ever seen. I mean, the kid doesn't run, he waddles like a fucking animal.
See ya.
We did it. We really did it. Red. Wow, that looks great.
Isn't that ours or no?
Thank you. Thank you, Domino. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Okay. All right. Well, we got the pizzas.
2-liter.
2-liter pizzas and everything we expected, right?
I was stuck carrying the 2-liter.
It's really not that bad, guys.
Yeah. We're good. Home with the pizzas. Time. We had the 2 medium pizzas, the 2 bites, and a bag filled with sauce, and a 2-liter. Yeah, it made things difficult. Try this out.
Come on in, folks.
So this is what, the cinnamon bites?
Cinnamon twist.
This is
Parmesan
just.
bites.
Once you really get a look at it,
It's. I mean, what the fuck? What the fuck is that, man? And you have to chug all that? You're that guy?
my guy,
Jesus fucking Christ. I'd hate to be that guy.
Sam's calling me.
Yo. Okay, man. Okay, man.
Who's on the phone?
Sam. Hey, yo.
We got bacon and olives.
Y'all gotta weigh fucking 300 pounds.
Yo,
What is you? And look at this.
Get this.
Oh my god.
What the fuck is this, Sam? What the fuck? What the fuck?
I don't know.
Well, bro, we're gonna get to this fucking pizza. I haven't eaten all day.
You can do it.
I haven't eaten
Sam,
all
look at
day.
this one. Sweet icing.
Just know that I still have to do my fucking workout.
No.
No, Sam, come on.
And you have the first bites.
Mm.
Oh, it's cold. Yeah.
One bite. I love the olive, I love the cheese. It could have been hotter, but I can't complain. I was starving. I was fucking starving. Ah, fuck. Guys,
This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be really bad.
there's something about this.
Fuck, dude, I don't even have my Tums.
About, oh god. Seriously?
No.
There's something about this that we just did. That's not right. It's not meant for the human. Did you show the entire thing?
No.
That's cleaned. And that's about cleaned.
Wow. That's crazy.
Long story short, I drank the Coke. They rely on me to be that guy.
I knew he would do it. He's that guy. He drinks the Coke. I was kind of surprised he didn't finish the whole thing, but he got through half of it, and that's half the battle.
I'm getting rid of this Coke before it takes me out.
Wow.
Wow.
That means I drank that much. You know, you thought maybe that working out and preparation and walking a few miles to get to the Domino's would work to sort of combat the effects of the Domino's. And I'm here to tell you, if you think that's what's gonna happen, it's not. There is no combating the effects of Domino's. Dude, I don't feel good. That feels good.
Look at your face.
I've been farting because I'm just a gassy guy, and I took 2 shits today, and it didn't help at all.
I wish, honestly, that we never even ordered the Domino's. I don't think my stomach will be able to recover.